Hidden away in the Andaman Islands of India lies North Sentinel Island, home to the Sentinelese, the most isolated tribe in the world. This enigmatic group has resisted contact with outsiders for thousands of years, maintaining a way of life that remains largely untouched by modern civilization. The Sentinelese are believed to be direct descendants of the earliest humans to migrate out of Africa, making their culture and lifestyle a priceless window into ancient human history. Their isolation is so profound that even their language is incomprehensible to neighboring tribes. The Indian government has established a 3-mile exclusion zone around the island to protect both the tribe and potential visitors, as the Sentinelese have shown hostile reactions to intruders, often with arrows and spears. Despite several attempts, no one has succeeded in making peaceful contact. Their resilience and determination to remain secluded offer a rare glimpse into human independence and survival. The Sentinelese continue to thrive on their island, living as their ancestors did, with no influence from the outside world. This untouched way of life remains one of the last true examples of human culture in its most primal form.